Hi, Terry here with a book I made using another fabulous kit from Victoria Designs. To construct the book, I used the tutorial that came with the kit. I just love this structure, and I used it in a couple other books that I'll be sharing later. And just a reminder, if you like my video, please hit that thumbs up icon. And if you want to see more content like this, just hit subscribe. Again, any relevant links will be in the description below. Let's get going. All right, so this book, the book is actually called, the structure, A Hidden Spine, which is kind of appropriate for a haunted house, don't you think? It actually houses the freebie booklet that I posted earlier called the Haunted Secrets Booklet. I'm not going to open it up and share it because you guys have already seen it if you've seen the previous video. And let's see. All right. And I'll also include the link for this freebie booklet. You go right to victoriadesigns.com and you can sign up for the emails and she'll send you that booklet. All right. So this, I actually added a bookmark to this book, which is, I just kind of fashioned a little ribbon with beads. I love, again, the quality of the print is just amazing. And there's little booklets with clips, little envelopes with little hidden cards. You can journal on the back of them or use it for a photo, whatever your heart desires. So I'm just going to page through so you can see some little pocket with a little journaling card. This book only has 3 signatures because it does need quite a bit of room to hold the booklet. But these little pockets that hold little cards. I left some pages blank for journaling or drawing, or you can put pictures on there or other ephemera. So again, I kept it fairly simple. A couple little haunted secrets. Oops. Another little envelope. Right here. Saw little pockets and envelopes throughout. This envelope was really quite beautiful. The little kitty cat. You put little secret messages or pictures or whatever strikes your fancy. And in the back, I did add a little extra pocket with another little mini book using little file folders with little chapters, basically. And I finished it with a little bit of very old pleated organza trim that's kind of falling apart, but that kind of lends to the mysteriousness of it, I think. That's pretty much the whole book, and that's the back side. And you can see down inside I added a little bit more of that trim. And that's my Haunted Secrets book. Have a great day. Happy crafting, everyone.